Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the JOYJOM Open Air PC case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This open-frame computer case is designed for DIY PC builders who want a sleek, functional, and versatile chassis. It supports a wide range of motherboard sizes including ATX, Micro ATX, and IDX, accommodating motherboards up to 305 by 245 millimeters, 12 by 9.6 inches. One of the standout features is its unrestricted support for graphics card length and width, which is ideal for gamers and professionals who use large GPUs. Constructed from durable 0.8 mm SPCC alloy steel with a black sandblasted finish, this case combines strength with a modern aesthetic. It also supports a standard ATX power supply with dimensions of 150 by 86x, 140 to 250 millimeters, and can house one HDD and one SSD, offering sufficient storage options for most builds. The assembled dimensions are compact yet spacious enough at 440 by 265 by 128 millimeters, expanding slightly to 160 millimeters in height once the power supply is installed. Pros of the JOYJOM Open Air PC case include excellent compatibility with various motherboard sizes, unlimited GPU size support, sturdy build quality, and a stylish open-air design that enhances cooling potential. It's an excellent choice for users who want easy access to components and superior airflow without the constraints of traditional enclosed cases. On the downside, the open frame design means less protection from dust and physical damage compared to closed cases, which might not be suitable for all environments. Additionally, it supports only one HDD and one SSD, which could be limiting for users requiring extensive storage. Overall, this case is a fantastic option for enthusiasts looking for a high-quality, open-air chassis with broad compatibility and a sleek look. Remember, the link to buy the JOYJOM Open Air PC case at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out for the best deal.